back to our channel. We're so happy to see you and that you've joined us today. And of course, I'm Dee.
And I'm Dory.
And I'm Riitta visiting today again.
Yes, yay! We love having Riitta with us.
Yeah.
And then Nathan, say hi to everybody. You want to say hi?
Hi.
Okay.
Very good, Nate.
Good job.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nathan looks a little bit bigger because we couldn't quite fit his wheelchair and get him in on the side here, so he's
Yes.
really not this giant. He's just closer to the camera.
Yeah.
So,
And, you know, we always start with, if this is the first time here, you don't know that, but if you've come before, we always start with some kind of inspirational saying. And this week, we let Riitta pick one.
yes.
And shall I show them what it is?
Sure.
Okay, this is what the saying is. Can you see it? Is it backwards on the camera? Well, Rita's going to tell us what it is anyway.
So this says the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision, as was told by Helen Keller, who had no sight, no hearing, but she had a vision.
Wow, that is amazing, isn't it?
That's
Yes.
very profound.
What
You need to-
insight she had
Yes.
for someone who couldn't see.
I know. I it's always amazed me. She's just always amazed me. I've just found it fascinating, her thought process. It's hard for me to comprehend her thought process with her deficits that she had. She did so much with so little, and so many of us do so little with all that we have.
Yes. And there's something interesting, if I may share what she had said. I heard this from my sister because they're listening to a book right now about her. She said everybody should spend 3 days visioning being blind and using their hearing, and then another 3 days pretending to be deaf, and imagine what is the world like for me right now. In other words, train your brain and your mind to use all the senses, taking everything in that you see and hear, and take nothing for granted.
Wow.
That would be a good exercise to
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
It would. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. It makes you think about
Yeah.
what we have.
Yes.
Okay.
And so this week, what we're going to do is.
Oh, are we going to do Rita's first? She has something special.
Oh.
Or are we
Rita.
going to do our patterns first? We should have thought this out. Sorry.
We'll think it out in front of you. Would you
Okay.
like to show? Yes, Rita has something she made that we want to have her show.
The bag.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Talk about a
Right back.
creative process.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
She had a vision.
She had a vision, and she made something out of something that would just be trash otherwise.
So what this was is a bag of birdseed,
Yes.
and I envisioned a bag.
I love tote bags.
birdseed.
Yeah.
The only thing
So
I did,
cool.
I put the handles a little wrong, but it works.
Yes.
So literally, you just cut the end, and you can make it as short or long as you want. And sew the bottom. You could turn it inside out, and then you do little triangles.
Uh-huh.
Cut off the ends of the triangles. Turn it outside out again, and sew your handles. And that is it.
So was this difficult to sew on?
No,
No.
No.
Wow.
Nothing
you can
special
use
with your machine.
you can use extra sharp needles.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
that.
Right.
Because
I
it was-
asked the guys who did my sewing machine, give me some needles that will go through this plastic.
uh-huh.
Wow, it's
So-
nice. I love the colors.
I know, me
Right,
too.
cheery.
Yes.
Yes.
I love
So
it.
my next project is going to be, I've been saving coffee bags.
Oh,
And so it's going to be a quilt made of coffee,
Ooh.
like bags that the coffee comes in.
Oh, would you guys like to see that when she's done?
yeah. I would. Yeah.
Maybe we'll have to
Oh,
bring it
God.
back.
Now I'm committed.
It's okay. You don't have to do it real soon.
And I could even see a skirt or a dress, depending, a skirt probably out of that. That would be cool on coffee.
It would be a crunchy one.
Oh, well, that's true. I guess I didn't think that through so well. But anyway, I love that bag. It's just so cheery and making good use of something that normally would be trash.
And the birds. I love
And,
the birds.
and it's so bright and cheery. Yeah.
I
So-
love birds.
You can use cat food bags, dog
Yeah.
food, and they can be anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I use this when I go into my garden. I weed,
Oh.
put my weeds in there, and then I can just take this to the compost bin.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Good.
Very nice. Thank you for sharing that,
Yes.
Rita. Yay!
Yes, we appreciate that.
We do.
Yeah. So the rest of this episode is going to be a pattern haul. Is that what
That's what I am. Yes, I have 5. I have 6 of them.
Well, I'm going to limit it to 10. I always overdo everything, let me tell you. But
Yeah.
since I have so many, I'll go first.
That's how it was. Yeah, she works
See
that.
how it happens. This one is interesting. It's Simplicity 8889. It's a mini G. And I think I'm going to have to. Can you hold my phone?
Can you hold your phone?
And you can hold these patterns.
That's what you really had reading here.
That's why Rita's here. I want you to see the drawings on it and then get a close look at the front. I'm going to tell you why I like this pattern is because the front has pockets on the side. It's like cargo pants.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't this cute? What do you think of it?
Very cute. Very current fashion.
Yeah.
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 Because the high waist is back in
Yeah.
style.
Yay! The warm up on top.
Yeah, I was going to say that. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, I don't know if I like the button flies. I might change that to a zipper just because buttons take so long. No, I need a zipper. Yeah, so that might change that. Okay.
Oh, we're gonna go every other one.
Oh, do you want to, or you want me to
No,
go through mine?
it's fine. Every other one's fine. So,
These
they're
are all on sale too.
yeah,
The
mine,
$1.99.
yeah, all on sale for $1.99, and mine came from Joann's, and they're all Butterick patterns. So, this one, I like the skirt, and it's a Butterwick 6772. I really like the style of it, the yoke on it, and the panels on it. I've had some ready-to-wear skirts made similar to that I've worn through the years, and I just absolutely love the panels on it. And so I thought I'm gonna get that skirt.
Now,
I'll
would
make
you ever make the ruffle one?
No.
Can I see?
I knew that she wouldn't make the ruffle one. That's why I asked her.
Oh, this is nice. I would make this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The one without the ruffles. And see the back here, it's got, I love the panels on it, and it's got just the 2 in the front, and then all that in the back.
So you just don't need to add the ruffle one.
Right, yeah, I
Mhm.
don't need to add the ruffle. They do have View A,
That has slits in it.
has slits in it, but I will not be putting the slits in it. I
Yeah.
will be sewing that down. So
So does that come with a zipper?
I think
No.
so. I'll
Yeah.
have to look. Does it?
Or
no?
Yes. Oh,
Zipper.
good. And she has
Little
zippers now.
Yes.
I gave her zippers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your turn.
What's the next one? Okay, this is a Butterwick B6807. So this is a dress. And here's the back view. I like the back view better than the dresses that they made. I like the drawings.
Line drawings.
Yeah, the line drawings. I think that's got a cute detail. I think it gets a little bit lost in the fabrics that they chose.
Well, yeah, that happens, but it is the style. Let me see that. Oh, okay. And it's got runching up on the one
Mhm,
side,
mhm.
which is very difficult to see. You are correct with the fabric pattern that they chose.
Yeah. So don't you think if this was in a plain fabric, then you could see the detail
Yes.
and it would look, I think, nicer. Just my opinion. Yeah. Okay, what's your next one?
My next one is Butterick 6567. And
Oh,
now that
no.
I'm looking at it, I'm not so sure why I purchased it.
Because it was $1.99.
Well, it is a cute dress, and it'll be a simple dress to make. It's got a lot of pieces to it. I will lengthen it. Both views are very short for me, and I like them sort of midi length. But it's called a Lizette, Sew Your Style. But anyway,
The
that's
name-
my next
Oh, it's a
pattern.
Butterwick. Okay.
Yeah, it's a Butterwick, but has the name on it, and a lot of detailing in the seam work is where the detailing is on this. It's all in the seam work in the pieces.
Okay.
So I think that has a zipper also. So I will be busy with the
Is that
zippers. No, it does not have
It does not have a zipper.
Oh,
So
zipper
Zipper
free! Yay!
I want you to talk about this
I
next.
love this. I
Oh,
love.
This
I didn't
is
know you got one
definitely
before.
Doris.
Yeah. This is
Yeah,
a March Tilton. I love March Tilton's design.
you do.
I
do.
absolutely love them. I made something else by March Tilton and I absolutely love it. This is, like you said, this is so me.
It's you.
So this is a Vogue 9108. Vogue you can't get for $1.99. I did have to pay $5.99 for it. But to me, it was worth it because I love, look at the detail in this. So you have a shirt, you have the dress, and you have the leggings. But I just love this.
Yeah, it's cute.
I can hardly wait to make that one.
That looks like it's fun. And do you have some fabric in mind already for that?
I'm wondering
Not
if
yet?
my African print would look good in that.
You make the leggings too.
Yeah, you can make
Wow.
the leggings too. Yeah.
That was a great pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
And
it's
I didn't
fun.
realize the top was in there until just now. I thought it was just the dress and the leggings, but the top's in there too.
That's good.
Yeah.
That is good.
Oh,
Nate, here's something. It's okay, Nate.
It's all right. Now this is Butterick 6722, and I finally have decided to go in with the ruffles. Hopefully they're still in style by the time I make it. But I like the one tier ruffle here. I like that, and it's a shirt waist with a one tier ruffle, or you can do the 3-tier ruffles. And it looks like it's an easy make. There's no sleeves added on. The top is all one piece that you sew on. So that looks like a fun summer dress to me. I think I have a cambray.
Oh yeah, the blue one.
The blue one that I will make that out of. I think that would be pretty out of that.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So this one doesn't have a zipper either, does it?
No, but you know what? I was watching one of the chateaus. There's several chateau shows on for over in France, and the lady of the house had on a dress very similar to this in a smaller print.
Chateau inspired.
Yes, and I thought, oh, I have a pattern like that. I hope it looks as good on me as it did her.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sure will. This one? Okay.
I love that.
This one is Simplicity 9327. So this is again with the ruffles. We've seen them all over the runways this year. Ruffles are everywhere. This looks like such a fun summer dress to me. And this one has a zipper in it. It does have an invisible zipper. So I've got to hone in on those zippers and get that down pat.
Yes.
Because this one you can't hide with pants.
No.
No, but it's cute, isn't it?
It's very cute.
Yeah.
I've seen dresses like that in the stores
Yeah.
this season.
Okay, well, I got this next one,
oh,
Butterwick
no.
6178, and those are culottes. They're culottes, and that's what they call it on the back. Culottes, Mrs. Culottes, and I got that because when I was an older teenager, it doesn't matter. I loved culottes. I wore them all the time, and I've been looking and looking for a pattern for one, and I finally found one. It's a fast and easy, so we will find out because I will be making these soon.
Oh, fast and easy.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. Yeah.
What? Nathan. Oh, no, we don't want to do that. We'll get our patterns mixed up and
This
all.
is gonna be hard, tailored.
Yes.
Wow.
I got this because my sister's been inspiring me with buttons. I usually avoid button patterns, but I like the longer one.
Mm-hmm.
So this is Butterwick 6852. It does not say it's easy because it probably is not. And I like the longer length one. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, usually because of my bust area, I stay away from buttons down shirts, but I really liked this one, and I thought it would be a fun one to try in that longer length. So we'll see. It may not be a project I get to this year. It might be later down the road.
Yeah, we'll see how much later down the road you know for that.
How much later? How late is late?
Okay, so this next one is also fast and easy. It's a Butterwick 5652. I bought it basically for the caftan. I have, this is made for wovens, but I'm going to make it out of a knit because I have a knit that's bordered and has the design that I want to center. So that's what I bought that for. Fast and easy. Here's the line drawings on the back. Lots of different lengths you can go with, and it also includes the pants or the slacks with that. So a top, pants, well, what is that one? What is that called? The pantsuit? Yeah. No, jumpsuit.
Jumpsuit.
Oh,
A
also called
jumpsuit.
romper.
Yeah,
Oh,
which
romper.
which I never make those rompers because I'm so long-waisted. I have to do all kinds of alterations, and I never make them, never wear them.
I like
Plus,
rompers.
I can't get out of them real quick. But the need is there.
So the next one is a Vogue 1783. I like the long dress. So again, this has tons of buttons. Oh. So this is.
Well, we have buttons.
I like the long one. What do you think? I like that long one. Yeah. So here's the. Yeah. Look at all the buttons. Can you see them? Yeah.
So that actually buttons down all the way down the front?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Uh-huh.
And it's very fitted, it says. So we'll see. Yes. But I like the fullness of it. The bottom skirt half of it.
So now this one I've already made, but I bought this with the other patterns. This is the Butterwick 6176, and I don't know if the episode came before this or after it, but I made this out of a shower curtain. So that was very, very simple to make. And as I mentioned in that video, the views here show it all shorter, and also in the back it shows it with a shorter length, but it did come with to the ankle length in the pattern. So I don't know why they left that out, but that was there. Very simple, and it was easy to make, and I really liked that. So there you go.
What's the one I'm going to show next?
Is this dress.
Oh, yes. This dress. It's very interesting. This is B6804. So this was a Butterwick sale that was going on. That's why I have so many Butterwicks. And I liked the what do you call that? The bodice. I like the highness of it. If that makes any sense.
You mean the high neckline on it?
No, this.
Oh, the Empire.
The Empire. That's it. Umpire. Umpire or Empire?
What is it? Empire.
Umpire's in the game.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's Empire. It is a game I'm playing here with patterns, but yeah. So that's one that I would like to make.
It's okay.
And she doesn't have any more, so we're
Yeah,
So
find
that's
out.
down to these.
yes. Oh, I liked this. This is a Vogue, and this is a very easy. Hey, very easy. Vogue 9075, very easy. So there's that dress, or there's also that romper, or whatever. Jumpsuit? Romper? What's it say it is? It says jumpsuit on the pattern. So hey, read the pattern if you don't know what it is. There you go. All right, what's the next one?
Another dress?
Oh yeah, this would be so fun for this summer. This is a very easy also, 9100 Vogue. And I really like how this has, I like the fullness again of the skirts. I like fullness in the
Oh,
skirts.
that's cute.
Yeah.
See, you're willing to tackle those tighter bodices. I'm not so willing to.
It says close fitting.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, we'll see how that works.
I like that. That's pretty.
You like this?
I do
This
like
is
it.
Vogue 1797. It's a Tom and Linda Platt design, whoever they are. And I did think it would be fun to have some color blocking like that. So it's just a simple dress. But they say it's average. Whoops, sorry. So it says average. So this is not very easy. It says average, but I can do average, I think.
You're going to try to do average.
Yes, we'll see how I do average. No, actually, the outfit that I made from the sheet was an average.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
I did a few things wrong, but
You got it made. Now that's nice.
yes.
Yes.
So that's our pattern haul for this week.
Yes. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We got some cute patterns and some new makes that we can be working on for the summer, through the summer. And I think that's it, but we need our saying.
We need our saying. Oh,
I
I don't know what I did with it. Oh, the phone. Okay, so we have our saying here, and let me get the saying too. Okay, the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision by Helen Keller. So keep yourself having a vision. Think beyond what you see.
There you go.
That works. I'm not saying anything else.
Okay, so if you enjoyed our channel, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. We like to be with you guys. And until next time,
Bye.
Bye.
Have a great
Bye.
week. Bye-bye. You want to say bye, Nate?
Bye.
Okay.